Hello my viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today's makeup tutorial is going to be about the smoky eye look for beginners. This can be worn on a regular basis, and also if there's any party or any function, I think this look will look really good. I have to mention that in person this makeup look looks way better and attractive compared to what my camera is capturing in this video. So without any further ado, let's get started. Starting with a washed face, I'm first going to apply lip balm followed by moisturizer. For my face, I'm going to follow the same step that I followed on my first makeup video titled as Everyday Makeup Look. That is, I'm going to apply compact powder on the T-zone and under eye area of my face, followed by blush on my cheeks, also a bit on my nose and forehead. This time I'm also going to use a bit of a shimmery blush to give some kind of a highlight on my cheekbones. Following this, I'm also going to use highlighter on the higher ends of my cheekbones and the center of my nose. Also a bit on my forehead and chin. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use the darkest brown shade that my eyeshadow palette has. With a flat brush, I'm going to simply fill in my eyebrows. Coming to eyes, using a thicker flat brush, I'm going to take the lightest shade and spread it evenly around my eyelids. This will set a base for my eye makeup. Now with my brown pencil, I'm roughly going to line my upper lash line. With the same brush, I'll smudge this line. To intensify the color, I'm again applying this brown pencil and again smudging it the same way. As you can see, I'm smudging it pretty close to my lash line and not going beyond the eyelids. After I'm done with both the eyes, I'm taking my black pencil and lining my lash line. I'm keeping it very close to my lash line. You can make it thicker if you want a more darker smoky eye look. I'm again taking this flat brush which I used for my eyebrows and smudging this black color very close to my lash line. Now I'm taking the darkest brown eyeshadow with this thicker flat brush and generously applying it all over my eyelids. Using my fingers, I'm blending any harsh edges. I'm then applying my black pencil on my upper and lower waterlines. Now I'm lining my lower lash line with the same black pencil. I'm keeping it only half of my lash line just to give an illusion of a bigger eye. Again, I'm smudging it to fill in any gaps between my lashes and also to avoid harsh edges. Now I'm spreading the darkest brown eyeshadow with this brush on my lower lash line. Make sure that everything is blended well. I'm finishing off my eye makeup by applying mascara on my upper and lower eyelashes. Finally, this makeup look is completed by applying a nude color lipstick. Wearing a lighter shade of lipstick highlights the eye makeup. I'm blotting my lips with a tissue paper to remove moisture and reapplying the lipstick to make it more long lasting. And I've completed this makeup look. If you want even more darker eye makeup, then do apply more kohl or use a black eyeshadow instead of a brown one. because this is for beginners, I'm using just the lighter shades to make it look more neutral and not too glamorous. I hope you liked this video. Do try and let me know in the comments below how it looks on you. I'll be back with more videos. Do subscribe so that you won't miss out. Till then, namaste.